Good evening everyone. Myself Aditi Kesarwani. My topic is accounting. Accounting is the art of recording, classifying and summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money, transactions and events that are of a financial character and interpreting the results thereof. Types of accounting. First, financial accounting. Financial accounting deals with recording of business transactions in order to know the profit and loss of business activities. There are two types of financial accounting: cash accounting and accrual accounting. First, cash accounting. Cash accounting is an accounting method where payment receipts are recorded during the period in which they are received, or expenses are recorded in the period in which they are actually paid. Second, accrual accounting. The accrual is an adjustment accounting used to track and record revenue that have been earned but not received, or expenses that have been incurred but not paid. Second, cost accounting. Cost accounting is the provision of such analysis and classification of expenditure as will enable the total cost of any particular unit of production to be ascertained with reasonable degree of accuracy. There are two types of cost accounting: historical costing and marginal costing. First, historical costing. Under this method, all expenses are incurred on the production are first incurred and then the costs are ascertained. Second, marginal cost. Marginal, the ascertainment of marginal cost and profit of changes in volume or type of output by differentiating between fixed cost and variable cost. Third, management accounting. Management accounting provides meaningful accounting information through application of various tools and techniques in order to assist management in creation of policy. There are two types of management accounting: product accounting. Second, inventory turnover analysis. First, product costing. Product costing is concerned with the total cost involved in the production of goods and services. These costs can be divided into several categories such as fixed cost, variable cost and indirect cost. Second, inventory turnover analysis. Inventory turnover analysis is calculation for how many times a company has replaced or sold out has its current inventory. Thank you.